Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Quick electronic waste teardown for you today. Got an old pedometer here. Those are those things you use to count how many miles you walk and how many steps you take on long journeys. You turn it apart to see what precious metal content is within. I know there's a little bit, so let's find out. I've already removed a couple of screws to speed down the teardown speed. Very tiny screws, as you can see. Not too much in here. So there's the main board. Let's identify some of the precious metals. So this trace in here, plated with silver. Connected to copper tracing, that's the green stuff. Could also be silver trace. Have to scratch at it. Seems to be also silver trace. So we got lots of silver plated tracings on this. These things are most likely, these prongs are also most likely plated with silver. Capacitor there, that's pure aluminium. Very small capacitor. Got a timing crystal here. I happen to know inside of these are the type from precision timepieces, watches and such. And they have a tiny amount of gold element within them. And that's pretty much for sure. So I'll be doing a small quick video on tearing down these timing crystals in the future. And so I have a couple. So I can show you the gold within them. Have a bunch of other things contained in them. So. We have more components here. We have a fuse and some transistors. These are good for silver. We have some MLCCs. See these brown things here that I'm pointing at? They contain palladium, which is a high value precious metal right now. We have some silver solder. Could be normal solder, either way that it contains the metal tin and possibly antimony and silver, so worth collecting. This brown thing in the middle is in fact a microchip. Underneath this silicon gunk is gold connected to the monofilaments of the chip itself, so quite a bit inside of these. Also have some tiny resistors. See that thing with the numbers on right towards the end? They can also contain some precious metals. Usually more exotic ones though, including silver. They can contain things like rhodium and ruthenium metals. Just the screen left. Carefully remove that. Try and get no glass on me. Oh, there we go. And that's the LCD screen. Nothing much on there. That's probably plated with silver though. Could be wrong, could be gallium or possibly indium, as they also make screens from that. This board we have here has small silver traces on this connector here. Don't know if you can see that. See that? In between the membrane, that's silver. And we have more silver in between the membrane here. So a little bit of silver on the screens also. Not bad. Bits of silver, gold and palladium. Very nice. So pedometers, worthy e-waste salvage. If you manage to get more than one, probably worth tearing them all down for some precious metals. Well, till next time.